Okay, hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can upload a Android/Quest avatar. So I have our otter here. So the first thing you need to do if you don't have it installed is go up to File, go to Build Settings, go down to Android, and it should, I have it already installed, but it should say Open Download Page. So you go to that and download it, and then what you want to do is go to, after you've imported your model in SDK, go to Show Control Panel in the VRChat SDK, make sure you're signed in, and click Switch Build Target to Android. And hit Confirm. And you let that thing do its thing. It might take a few minutes, but I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so once it's done, switching to Android, then what you want to do is go into your materials folder and make sure, I've done this already, but you make sure each one is on VRChat, mobile, and standardized, or you can use TuneIt, either or. I have done it for with the otter anyway. I've done it for the blush, the body, the collar, the eyes, and the hair. So this also applies to any model you have that you want to upload a Quest version to. And then also what you can do is you have to remove all the dynamic bones, so these white here, and the colliders, which is the yellow ones. So you have to delete all them. So there is some with the otter in a way down here, so you gotta remove all these. And remove this one. So now that's all that's left is the colliders. So there is one here on the body, so we want to remove that one. And the other one is, there's one on each hand, so you need to go down the body, chest, actually it's the chest, yeah, the chest one. Remove that. So left shoulder will go down first, hand, remove that one, and same with the other one, and remove that one. And then we just gotta find the other body one, which should be the head. I want to remove that collider as well. So then there is no dynamic bones left, and there's no colliders. Oh, I don't know why I made that big. But what I should have said as well is what you can do is duplicate. So you click your original mod, duplicate, so that way you can still have the PC version with all the dynamic bones and colliders if you want, or if you just want to upload the Quest without the net, that's grand as well. So now that is all set up, you want to go to VRChat SDK, hit Control, and click Build and Publish for Android, and you're done. So that is how you upload for Quest. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below, and I will reply and help as much as I can. So thanks for watching, and yeah, bye.